Hello everybody, MK here. Today about the most exciting day because I will start deep dive into this project using React. First of all, we need to actually play around with this, how to create more elements like that. First of all, let's run a server as we learned by doing. First of all, we have two types of commands. First of all, to run a server as React, and run a second command, run server as Electron. First of all, we'll run a server for React. Change the start with the first one like that. I think, yeah. Run script start and see. This is okay. Let's do that and run. npm run, of course, does it work? npm run or npm start. Yeah, it works. But actually I don't know why it doesn't work from this URL. Yeah, it's open on Google Chrome, and we need to go to npm run electron to make sure everything works, and then try to solve this. Open new terminal, npm run electron. Oh, Electron has a problem. Yeah, using electron dot make a refresh. Okay, the apps works fine. I'm doing refresh by the reload, Control R. If you want to reload something, Control R, and they're reloading everything. Let's go to app and change it like hello, welcome to React. I need to, but actually I don't know if I do that it gives me any errors. Yeah, it gives me this error. Okay, control and welcome to React. That's so nice. Let's doing like create parsing. Of course, you need to wrap everything in one closure. For doing that, we need to create a new div and add all of these in that div and see what's happening. same error because maybe we need to add here. Yeah, was I saw about some tutorials and some videos about you need to wrap everything with one element. You can't do this. You can't do you can do a lot of elements. You need to wrap everything in one element, as I did. And the second thing, you need to add a braces just for when you add a lot of elements or a lot of lines of code. You need to add braces. And I think everything works. Okay, let's talk about styling. Styling is very important to work on and make the application more realistic. First of all, we need to search about the best tools or the best maybe framework styling using in React. Actually, I don't know, the Bootstrap, can we work together with React, or we have some other framework applications works nice with React? First of all, we need the best maybe framework styling for React. Okay, React-based UI framework. Let's open this and open this. Material kit, material UI, React Bootstrap, React virtualized. We have a lot of things. React toolbox. Let's see the top one. First of all, we called material kit. Let's open that and select and material UI and go to another website, Blueprint. Let's see the best one, I think. Material shared React and React material Bootstrap and material UI. This is for the material UI. Okay, that works. React component for faster and easier web development. And this is for shared React. And this is the material kit. Oh my god. We have a lot of frameworks. There's amazing frameworks actually, or maybe component. Okay, it is a pro version. I don't like the pro version. Okay, let's delete that link. And I think that bro also. This is a problem. But let's see what is VOD. It's an amazing thing actually. There's some websites designed by and this is material UI. I think that free. Maybe we can use it. Get it started. Okay, it's similar I think for Bootstrap, like components, box, container, grid list, and inputs, navigation. Let's go to like a button. Oh, amazing. I think it's more professional than Bootstrap. Oh, this is website using React and this framework called design revision, maybe design revision, React and design revision, or maybe designer version or using with Angular or Vue. I don't know, but I'm talking about styling. Nice, that's so good. I think this is similar to the React, the Material UI. Display button, let's go to slider. Oh my god, amazing. That's so cool. Nice, so nice. Let's go to see the date and time, because also, yeah, it's a lot of professional displaying the date and timing. What is the drawer? Let's see. Oh, it's like, yeah, it's more professional. Yeah, I think we can do that in a Bootstrap, I think. And this is for, I think it's very suitable for creating a native desktop application with Electron, because we need to this the list is, it's amazing actually. Okay, let's go to link. Same thing for a Bootstrap. Cards, maybe the same as we know in a Bootstrap. Yeah, it's amazing actually. Oh, nice, so cool. And that code we're using. Okay, switch. Okay, I think that's a very nice component or framework, whatever you call it. I think it's a component for React. I don't know if that works with Angular, but actually it's so amazing. Let's using this just to make sure everything works. First of all, get it started and installation. Okay, we have here npm and cdn. I don't know about this CVG icons, font icons. I think this is for font icons, like when you add CSS and JavaScript in a Bootstrap. But I don't know if I will use an npm everything installed, or I need to also add this link. Okay, and this is for CDN. I think I will use the npm. I don't know, using yarn or npm. Let's use a yarn. Create a new tab. Okay, paste, and let's do that. Okay, after installed the Material UI, let's test everything. Okay, installation. After installation, go to usage. Okay, quick start. We need to first add a button by copying that into our app. Okay, and add this button here, and instead of this dev first, okay, I think that's everything works. Let's see. Nice, so nice. The first button using a Material UI and React, amazing. Okay, let's continue. Nice. And example project, maybe we can go to create a React app. I need to know what is the next in JS. Next.js. Searching for next to JS is a framework. Open source application based on, okay, like for Vue maybe. Or we can use also in React. That's so nice. Okay, let's leave it now and focus on Material UI. Okay, and let's learn. Go to the template. This is the template and source code. Let's go to component and do a sum box and to understand everything. Okay, the box. I think the box, it's like we have a box and we have a container. Let's go to containers. I think the same thing, and this is the code. We need to use this container. This is for CSS paths. Okay, let's take that copy and go to this URL and delete it and add all of that and see what is happening here and go to refresh. Okay, we can change the color here and the same thing as we have did, or we can do it in a normal HTML and CSS styling. We can delete that. See, okay, I think we have here an inspect element. We don't have oh yeah, toggle developer tools. Okay, we can check the containers, refresh again. This is a container, maximum small. I think we can do it a medium. That is the size it changed. Okay, let's do X large, of course. And what else? Maybe I don't know exactly. We can go to know about container here and see all properties and type and everything related to access. We have access until to XL. Okay, access. I think this is the smallest one, and XL is the largest one. Nice. I think this is similar to Bootstrap. If you come up from Bootstrap, it will be more easier for you to understand. Okay, let's This is for max width. Now a lot of options here. This is for max width. Let's fix it. Display gathers. Okay, demo. If you prefer to design for fixed set size instead of trying to accommodate a full flow viewport, you can set the fixed property. Let's do that. Fixed container fixed containers, and this will be fixed. I don't know exactly what did change. Let's delete it again. Oh, fixed. Let's control the sizing of the app. Let's delete it again. I think it is for, oh my god, this is for a flex, like maybe related to Flexbox. If I did it fix it, let's hover on it, edges attribute, okay, and this. Actually, I don't know what is the purpose when you do it fix it. Okay, let's jump into another component. Okay, we have a container and go to grid. Yeah, it's the same idea, I think. This is like a row and columns and the bootstrap. But here, instead of having a bootstrap like row and column, we have a grid here. And this is the code. Oh, let's take all of that code, copy, and paste it here. Let's adjust it. Okay, delete and control this and save. And we have, I think we need to compile here again because this is export default app. Per module, what is the problem here? Oh yeah, okay, let's do app here and see if that works. Okay, let's see what is the problem here. Export default app. Let's do that. Okay, that works. Okay, let's do that again, but we just add this and return. Okay, see, we don't have a grid. Okay, let's import a grid from here and paper and this modules. Okay, let's see. Class is not defined. We need to add this also. Control C and see what is happening here. I think we need to convert this function to class-based view. For that, okay, let's take, oh my god, this is export ready default. Let's copy this code and delete that. Okay, and see what is happening. Yeah, it works fine. And this is, let's test. This is for the large and medium, and this is a small sizes. Okay, that's nice. Let's go to the old delivery app to just test something is very important. We need to make app like this. But before that, we need to adjust something here. And run server again, or run npm start. I need also to okay, we need to create something like that. In items, this is icons and the list bar. We can use the modern and material UI and add notes and this calculator. We can create something like that, but actually we can not doing everything in the same file app.js. We need to create a separate files and add every component and import this component in React. Yes, but actually I don't know what is the idea, or how can I accomplish that. Maybe we can use something like create all patterns together, or what exactly, I don't know. Okay, create a cache folder, a cache file with this all the inputs, or create a sign up and add everything. Like I need to also create a delivery sign up and cache sign up. For that, maybe I will do a file for a sign up and import all the sign from cache and sign from the delivery. Okay, let's create it separately, a new file, and create a cache. I think this word. Take a copy and create a file, rename it to cache, make it small, cache, the sign up, maybe .js, and import the React component, and we change it to export this file. I need to write it like a sign up cache. Okay, and create another component file within a components folder with a delivery sign up to JS, and take this copy and do this paste, and I change it to delivery, and take this word and export this file, and export, not file, actually it's not file, it's just function. Okay, and I want to test everything. Let's return h1 hello sign up cashier. Okay, do the same thing with the delivery to make sure everything works. Sign up delivery, and we need to just make it look so nice. Okay, we need to import everything in app.js. Import what? Let's leave it now, and from dot slash a component folder. I don't know, does it work because I didn't mention anything here. Let's do this. A component what? Maybe a cashier sign up. Let's continue component from the cashier sign up. Okay, to do the same thing for delivery, and I would change it to delivery sign up. Change it to delivery sign up, for example. Let's sign up. Let's do that. Let's using this component by doing like cashier, doing something like that. It's like HTML tags, but actually it is not an HTML tag. And do it the same thing for a delivery sign up. And I hope everything works. I don't know what is this error. Oh, we need to the parent element, like in dev, as we know, create a dev, not dev actually, any tags we want, wrap everything in the dev, and see. Let's close this app and return it to our app. Close that. Okay, let's see. For desktop, electron dot, and see what is happening. Hello, sign up cashier. Hello, sign up cashier. And I don't know, why delivery sign up doesn't work. Component delivery sign up. Let's see the delivery sign up. Let's do that. Sign up from components, import. Actually, I don't know. Delivery sign up is declared but is never used. Why is it never used? Let's call it again, and delivery. I don't know why it doesn't work. Let's refresh. Let's do it there again and refresh. But what happens if I add it here? Oh, maybe because we need to capitalize the D and the sign, as we know. Up and do this again for everything, and everything works maybe. And leave that. I hope that works. Okay. We need to make the first, or I think this is called descriptive or distracting, or like to name the variables or the name the function after imported that will use it in the tag like this. You need to repeat the first letters with uppercase to work. If we do this, D and D, and change it to D, you will see this is like it's a hidden because it doesn't know about that. For that, and if refresh something, it doesn't appear. For that, we need to do it a D, a capital letters for all, as we did in cashier sign up. Save, and you will see, okay, that's very nice. We can actually now add all buttons and inputs in a cashier and sign up, and we'll do this in the next video. Thank you for watching.